Namaste, my dear students. It's me, Kamal Pokhrel, a teacher from the Joint School family. Today, it is the 27th day of virtual class of Standard 4. Today, still continue. We are the same lesson, Birbal's Khichdi, and we will do this the question answer today from the think and answer. Okay. Other short answer question we have already done, and today we will. It is the turn of think and answer. Here are some questions. I have written here, and you will also try to write the answer in your own word. It will be more better. Do you think being ready to spend the whole night in the cold water was right for the poor man? Do you think being ready to spend the whole night, in the cold water was right for the poor man? Right means adhikar. Was it the right for the poor man to spend the whole night in the cold water? Answer: is the poor man was very poor. Is the poor man was very poor. He had no money. His family was starving. भोकले मर्ने अवस्था, starving. So it was his right. To spend the whole night in the cold water. You can add here. It was his right to spend the whole night in the cold water. Question number 2. Would you also refuse to give the reward? Reward means पुरस्कार. पुरस्कार दिन के तिमीले पनि अस्वीकार गर्छौ? Would you also refuse to give the reward to the poor man if you were Akbar? Answer: no, I wouldn't. No, I would not refuse to give the reward to the poor man if I were Akbar. The poor man spent the whole night in the cold water for money. It is not honesty to break the promise once we do. Once again, no, I would not refuse to give the reward to the poor man if I were Akbar. The poor man spent the whole night in the cold water for money. It is not honesty to break the promise once we do. Question number 3. Do you think Birbal was really 80? Do you think that Birbal? Do you think Birbal was really witty? Witty means wise person. Or in another word, मजाक गर्ने खालको व्यक्ति, witty. Yes, Birbal was really witty. He made Akbar realize his mistake. And the poor man get justice. Birbal was very clever person. He made Akbar. He made Akbar realize. महसुस गराए. He made the Akbar realize his the mistakes, and the poor man get justice. गरीब मान्छेलाई उनले न्याय दिलाए. Question number 4. What lesson did you learn from this story? Answer: from this story or lesson, I learned that we should do what we promise to do. from this lesson, I learned that we should do what we promise to do. Now, exercise 3, vocabulary. Let's discuss about this. And I have written here, I have used these words in the sentence. Okay, next sentence in your own word. Not necessary to write same, but you can write in your own word also. First, one number, far and wide. Far and wide, चारैतिर. I want my name. I want my name spread far and wide. I want my name spread far and wide. His name is spread far and wide. You can write in this way. 2 number, for the sake of. For the sake of means lagi. For the sake of. A poor person is ready to do anything for the sake of money. पैसाको लागि. पैसाको निमित्त. A poor person is ready to do anything for the sake of money. Question number 3. Age cold age. Age cold age. जत्तिकै चिसो. The water of the jug is cold as ice. The water of the jug is as cold as ice. Question number 4. 4 number. Innocent. Innocent. Nirdosh. He is very innocent. He is very innocent. Like a child. बच्चा जत्तिकै निर्दोष. He is very innocent like a child. 5 number, icy. Icy. This word is from ice. Ice, icy. I can't stay in this the icy water. Icy, it is the adjective. Ice. Ice, it is noun and icy. Icy is made from the ice. Icy. I can't stay in this the icy water for 5 minutes. 6 number, away from. Away from. I can't go away from my parents. Okay. I can't go away from my parents. And you can make the similar sentence, okay, in your own word. I can't go away from my parents. 7 number, glowing. Glowing means chamkilo. Glowing. We can't see at the glowing light. Chamkilo prakashma हामी हेर्न सक्दैनौं. We can't see at the glowing light. Or it is not good to look at the glowing light. We can't see at the glowing light. 8 number, find out. Find out. भेटाउनु, पत्ता लगाउनु. Did you find out your key you lost this morning? Okay, find out. We have used here. Did you find out? Find out. Did you find out your key you lost this morning? Or you can write, did you find out your lost key? Okay, dear students, this much for today. I hope that all you understood clearly all these questions. Next sentence you will write in your note copy fairly and learn it, practice it again and again. This much for today. Thank you very much.